Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over my top 5 picks for CVS Pharmacy, deals that are good October 25th through October 31st. If you want to see what my top 5 picks are, just keep watching. Let me start by saying if you are not part of the Care Pass yet, you should definitely sign up for that. The Care Pass is basically you pay $5 a month and they give you a $10 extra care buck right away. So it literally pays for itself instantly, but then you also get some extra benefits like free 1 to 2 day shipping. You also get free prescription delivery. You get access to a 24/7 pharmacist helpline, and you get 20% off all CVS brand products. And if you've never signed up for it before, you get the first month for free. So you just sign up and you'll get a $10 extra care buck right off the bat. And then you can cancel it right away after you get that, or you can continue to do it each month. But I just wanted to let y'all know about that in case you didn't already know. Okay, let's get to my top 5 deals of CVS this week. My first deal is these Luden's cough drops. They are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. These smaller bags are $2.49 each. You're going to need the 75-cent off 2 coupon from the 1025 Smart Source, or you can go to a coupon database and there's a printable one available. You can find the coupon database at like southernsavers.com or coupontom.com. Just type in the item you're looking for and it'll tell you if there's any coupons available. Okay, so here's our breakdown. Luden's cough drops, buy one, get one 50% off. Buy 2, get a $3 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Luden's cough drops. One's going to be $2.49. The other one's going to be $1.25. That makes our total $3.47. We're going to use one of the 75-cent off 2 Luden's paper coupons or the printable. So you're going to pay $2.98 out of pocket. You're going to get back a $3 extra care buck, making your final price free. My next pick is going to be this CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. They're on sale, 2 for $14. They're also on a promotion for buy 2, get a $7 extra care buck. For this deal, you're going to need 2 of the $3 off eye paper coupons from the 1025 Smart Source, or you're going to need 1 paper and 1 digital. You'll see the digital over on the right. So here's our breakdown. CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara on sale, 2 for $14. You're going to buy 2, get a $7 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Lash Blast for $14. We're going to use 2 of the $3 off CoverGirl eye product paper coupons, or you can use 1 paper, 1 digital. That's going to be $6 off. You're going to pay $8 out of pocket, but then you're going to turn around and get a $7 extra care buck back, making your final price for both of these just $1 or 50 cents each. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is Ibotta. If you download Ibotta, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. Ibotta has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from Ibotta, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, this next deal requires no paper coupons, but you're going to want the Ibotta app. So go to Ibotta, clip the $1 back on Oral-B toothbrush rebate. Make sure it's clipped before you check out. So for this next deal, we're going to do the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes, the 2 packs. They have a promotion, buy 1, get a $3 extra care buck. And there's a digital coupon in the app for $2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush. So here's our breakdown. The Oral-B toothbrushes, the 2 packs, they are buy 1, get a $3 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up one of those Oral-B indicator toothbrush 2 packs. They are $5.49. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Oral-B digital coupon. Make sure it's clipped in your account. You're going to pay $3.49 out of pocket at the register, but you're going to turn around and get a $3 extra care buck right back. Then You're going to take a picture of your receipt in Ibotta. You're going to get $1 back for that toothbrush. It's going to make your final price for that free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. My next deal is going to be this Babo toilet paper. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but this week it is buy one, get one free. You want to check your CVS account, see if you have this buy two, get one free toilet tissue CRT. Some people have even said they have a buy one, get one free toilet tissue CRT. So see if you have either one of those. If you don't have it, this is not a deal for you. But if you do have it, here's the breakdown. The Babo 8-pack toilet papers, they're $10.99, but they are buy one, get one free. And then they have an advertised promotion of buy two, get a $3 extra care buck. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up 4 of the Babo toilet paper at $10.99 each. That's a total of $43.96. 2 of those will be free because we bought 4. So $21.98 will come off for those free ones. Then because you have that CRT clipped, another $10.99 is going to come off, leaving you to pay just $10.99 out of pocket. But then you're going to get back a $6 extra care buck, 3 for every 2 that you buy. So the final price for all 4 of those is going to be $4.99 or just $1.25 per pack. And now my final deal for my top deals of the week is going to be the paparazzi nail polish. In store, they are on sale 2 for $5. You buy 2, you get a $4 extra care buck. So this breakdown is going to be super easy. We're going to pick up 2 of those paparazzi nail polishes. They're on sale 2 for $5. Pick out any of your favorite colors. You're going to pick up 2 of them. You're going to pay $5 out of pocket at the register, but they're going to turn around, give you a $4 extra care buck right back. Makes your final cost for both of them just $1 or 50 cents each. So those are my top 5 CVS deals this week. I thought they were pretty good deals. Everything in there is under $1.25. I think the toilet paper is $1.25 each, so it's the most expensive item out of my top 5 deals. So let me know in the comment section down below, which of these deals did you think was the best deal overall? Also, you're probably admiring this lovely screenshot I have here for you. This is a screenshot of my TikTok. If you're on TikTok, you should definitely go over there and follow me. I have like almost 49,000 followers now, which is pretty awesome. Maybe some of you watching this now is actually from my TikTok and has made your way over here. If so, welcome. I have had several people message me asking me why I don't go live. I guess the reason I don't go live is fear that nobody would show up to a live, so that's why I haven't. Plus, I don't really know what we'd talk about. Would we just like sit around and have a nonchalant conversation or what? Maybe we could have a live couponing Q&A. I don't know if that's something you're interested in. Let me know. Should I do it on YouTube? Should I do it on TikTok? Put your comments and thoughts in the comment section down below. But yeah, that fear of rejection is real. Like even mentioning it, I'm thinking, oh my God, nobody's going to comment on it. So fear of rejection, it's a real thing. But anyways, I've kept you all long enough. I want to thank you all again for watching my videos. I tell you all the time, it means the world to me to have your support. I love couponing and I love teaching others how to coupon. And now for the same old spiel I give you every time I do a video. If you're not yet subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn the notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to come back on Friday and check out the Dollar General All Digital Scenarios video that I post. I hope you all have an amazing week. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.